we actually got a cabin just Broken Bow, but you go away from Ho Chi Minh. We will never be in the Ho Chi Minh area. We need to go and leave, come back to Broken Bow and go back. It's just sad. There again, we should have got in on all that. That was cheap one time. Yeah, you can.
Right here.
Oh, did you?
Yeah,
How'd it turn out?
I think it turned out good.
Right?
I got it
Awesome.
to the right wheelbase where to go under there, and I've already got figured out. I got to build the hangers
Right,
and cut that other out.
right. Yeah. It's moving right along then.
Moving along with it a little bit.
That's good. That's good. It's a pretty good car show here. I didn't realize it was this big.
Sounded when he fired, and you hadn't heard it, have you?
No, I just got here. I just
That
come in.
thing's wicked.
Is it? Yeah, it looks.
He's got them electric cutouts on it where it either goes through the exhaust or
Right, or you can
thumps
switch
and
it.
It's loud.
That's nice. I like that. That's
Robert Sherwood.
Sherwood, yeah. And then the Wildcat over it. I don't know who it is. Buick.
Buick LeSabre.
Yeah.
That's Jerry Norman's.
That's what I thought. Yeah, I thought it was Cherry. It's pretty nice too, isn't it?
It is.
That's nice.
That's Bo Powell's
The Ford.
yellow and purple Ford.
Yeah.
He's sitting on the S10 frame.
That's too. He's done a lot of work to it, hasn't he?
Well, he bought it.
Oh, he bought it like that,
He
yeah.
bought it. Of course, Jerry bought his. He bought that in Florida.
In Florida, yeah. He hauled it along, or did he drive it?
He drove it.
He drove it all the way.
He went down there and got it and drove it back.
Wow.
He's had it several years.
Yeah.
Still got the original nailhead V8 in it.
Right. Yeah. That's what I was looking at up there. Yeah, I remember seeing it before, but it's been a while.
He was going to drive that 63 Olds Cutlass that I done a bunch of work on for him.
Right.
Put that rear end, fixed it where he could put it under there, and put a Mustang front end under it, and a transmission tunnel, and firewall and transmission tunnel, and everything.
Right.
And he had over there getting carpet put in it over at Bradillac on 243. We went up there yesterday going to that there swap meet at Arlington.
Uh-huh.
And they was having that there big parade for the Texas Rangers.
Right.
And we got hung up in traffic going up, so we was going to go to they was having a swap meet up there at the ballpark.
Right.
And the traffic held us up too long. And when we got there, it was 15 minutes late. They had closed everything down.
Closed
I said, how do we get there? And they said, you can't.
You can't, yeah. It was done. Oh, man.
They was about
go all that way.
100,000 people up there, and we
Wow.
was in amongst them. I was trying to find out where Section H was at.
Mm-hmm.
And I asked some of them park officials up there, the parking attendants.
Right.
They said it's way over yonder, but you can't get there from here
There's
in your
no way,
vehicle. You're going to have to walk. And we've already closed it down about 15 minutes ago.
Right, yeah. So just missed it then.
They said there was 500,000 people up there.
Wow.
And we was in there was
they'll run into the door.
a bomb squad up there, and police officers.
Uh-huh.
And I walked up there and I said, excuse me a minute, can y'all tell me where Section H is at? We don't know.
They didn't know.
That bomb squad.
Yeah, they should have known.
They should have known anything around that ballpark.
Right.
Didn't know nothing. I asked a police officer, and he didn't even know where Section H was at.
They was lost, more lost than you was then.
Yeah, they just as lost as I was.
Right. They probably lived there somewhere. Well, I hate you missed it like that.
And we just wound. I told Jerry, I said, well, they said it'd be way, way late before we could even get through over there,
Right.
at all. And I said, well, let's just go back and get in the truck and go over to Summit Racing.
There you go.
And went over and looked inside it. They've got a big store now on the back of it. Discounted items.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
See, that wasn't there. Or I didn't go in it. I don't know. It might have been there last time I was there.
It's they have display items and that they've took out and it got for sale in there, and it's marked down.
Right.
Some stuff was marked down reasonable. Some of it was still pretty high.
Yeah.
They had wheels in there of all kinds.
Oh, yeah.
But you couldn't hardly find. There was one matching pair, just 2 wheels, real nice wheels.
Right.
They were originally about $300 or $400 a piece.
Wow.
Marked down to $80.
$80, yeah, that's a good discount.
That was a good discount.
You know, it's not hurt. It's just been sitting on the shelf.
Sat on the shelf, on display.
Right.
Some of them were demonstrator things. They'd done showed how it, whatever demonstration purposes or whatever, some of that stuff.
Right.
I mean, they had disc brake kits. All kinds of disc brake kits for different stuff. Distributors, electronic distributors. I didn't see anything for Chevrolet small block, but they had a lot of Ford
stuff, yeah.
And AMC.
Wow.
They had an electronic distributor for AMC, one Axel.
Boy, that'd be like a kid in a candy store, wouldn't
Oh,
it?
yeah. I mean, exhaust pipes, gas tanks, but they didn't have a Mustang gas tank.
Oh, they didn't have
They
one.
had all kinds of gas tanks in there, display models.
Right.
Transmissions, motors. They had a full, complete motor. Aluminum heads, everything. Carburetor, water pump, valve cover, everything on it.
It was all dressed out.
All
ready to-
dressed out. It was about a 400 or 500 horsepower motor. $5,000.
$5,000.
It was ready to
It was ready to put
put
it in, boat
a,
up. Yeah.
flywheel and a starter on it.
Wow.
And it had every carburetor, fuel pump, water pump, everything on it.
Yeah.
Spark plug wires, it's ready to go.
Yeah, that'd be nice to be able to do something like that.
Yeah, I can't do it.
I can't either.
I talked to a guy down here this morning. He said they built it. I said, I've got a Mustang. I'm going to fix it up, but I was going to put, and Robin told him I was going to put a Chevy 350 in it. He said, oh, God, no.
Yeah,
no,
don't do
no.
that, yeah.
I said, well, the thing is, I've got this motor. It's only got 250 miles on it.
Right.
And it's got a steel crank, big valve heads.
Right, yeah, you got to get
354
everything to go on
volts.
it.
And anyway, got a turbo 400 transmission, all this GM stuff.
Right.
I said I did come up with a vintage 65 289 and C4 automatic. I could rebuild and put in there, but I said it's going to cost so much. I said I don't know what it even costs now to rebuild a 289. He said we just done one. They build cars for people and stuff. He said we just done one a few months ago. It cost $4,000 to rebuild that 289
$4,000.
motor.
Yeah.
By the time they done all the machine work,
Right.
boring it and turning the crank,
Right, and all new.
and all new parts.
Parts inside, yeah.
Inside it and
Wow.
everything, all the the valves and everything like that. He
See,
said
I
it cost
couldn't-
$4,000. I said, see,
I couldn't do that either.
I've already got all this stuff, so I'm
Right.
gonna use it.
Right.
And I did get me a headlight bezel.
Oh, did you?
Thursday. Another friend of mine had one, and he gave it to me, and a rear bumper.
And a rear bumper too. There you go.
I said, what do you want for it? And he said, I'm gonna give it to you.
You go give it to you.
They keep.
It's nice to have friends.
It's
isn't
nice
it?
to have friends. So far, I ain't spent a whole lot of money.
Right. You're going to have the car built for long and not have too much in it. That'll be good.
I wound up just doing a little work for that motor. I did a little work for that transmission.
Right.
And,
Well, there you go. Can't beat that.
I bought wheels at the scrapyard and sanded and polished them back out. They removed them slots.
Cleaned them all up.
Cleaned them up and everything. I went ahead and bought me 4 tires from Walmart. I got $260 and 4 tires, brand new tires.
That's not bad. Yeah.
Anyway.
Yep. Well, Earl, I'm gonna get on
right.
and look at some more of this car show. I'm gonna have to get up there and look at that pickup, see what you done to
Well,
it.
I got it up under there, and I did the axle Thursday.
Uh-huh. Supercharged LSR.
I had a sister that had an old Apache sitting down there in, where'd they live? Right outside of San Antonio on 10. I can't think of him. And he died and she died, and I was going to buy that. Then the damn nephew run off with it, sold it to somebody. And he ended up, he drank so much, he started bleeding out, and he died at 43 years old. We never did find out where that damn...
Oh, no. It got away, didn't it?
There's one sitting up here at Saltillo, 2 of them want to talk to him about it. What they make them just 3 years, didn't they?
Yeah. Then it went to the 58, 59 with the 2 double headlights.
Right.
Kind of the same style, body style, but it had the double headlights.
This one, blue. There used to be one come up here, boy, it's pretty red and white. You ever seen that one? Man, it looks...
Yeah, I think I have. They sure got some pretty cars up here.
I got that old 46 right there.
The 46.
Yeah. Still got to put power track in it and AC, and then I'm gonna leave it alone.
Right.
Boy, tell me one of them guys at Resurrection, he said, make sure you put your bigger alternator. He said, them damn ACs, them Northern Southern Air, said they pulled a lot of amps.
Right, yeah.
And they're like, I guess that's good to know. And then this boy here, he goes to Otto Rama with us every year. GTX, he was telling me mine's got a hydraulic rocker cam in it.
Uh-huh.
And I didn't know. He said, make sure you put some zinc in it.
Right, yeah.
Because it helps that cam out. I never heard of that. I said, that's good to know. He said,
oh, yeah.
I ain't got but 600 miles on my motor.
Yeah.
But he's going to top my rotor rocker. He said, well, when you change the oil, make sure they put some zinc in it because it does something to that oil.
Yeah.
Now it'll lock that rotor rocker up.
Yeah, so used to, they had it in the oil already, but now then they took it out and you got to put it yourself.
What you got the hydraulic, the other ones you don't have to add it, do you?
It's good to have it, I think, in all of them really, but you got to have it in those rollers. So.
Right.
lots of money tied up here in all these cars.
That old man down there looking at that moving boy, that boy from Greenville, he got some money tied up in that little Ford. Got remote, stereo, all that in, hell of a motor. I bet he got 80,000 or better in it.
Right.
Can't hardly hear. He's older, man. He got a nice ride, though. I believe we had a little bit more here last year.
I didn't make it last year, but it's a pretty good show. Quite a few cars.
Yeah.
And, people showed up
going on too.
Yeah.
And I say they flew over my plane over on 7th Houston. I thought the damn Japanese was taking over. I said, "Get your gun here!" They got RPM but motors. They were just as screaming.
Right.
They could do the shortest landing and the shortest takeoff on pavement.
Right. Yeah.
But hell, they're long.
They're long, yeah.
But they can. I guess it's so many feet they up.
There he goes there. I hear him flying up there. Yeah, he's walking down here.
She had to go apply for a job. She's gonna go to Human Resources for Brookshire.
Right. Gotta get that job.
She worked for the damn school, but they ain't worth a damn. They don't pay nothing. And if they make some checks up, you gotta wait until the next month. You only get paid once a month.
Right.
I said, that ain't worth anything.
Yeah, that's a long time to have to wait to get your money, you know.
So I tell old school got about $600,000 over letting them put that solar plant in down there by us. The solar farm. And then they're all just sitting there. There goes the video, man.
Yeah.
I seen your honey come up.
It wasn't Park Road.
Facebook page that you can look at.
Okay. Okay. find the guy imposter. If you go look,
Got a quick announcement. If you still have your People's Choice form, please turn it in at the chamber within the next 15 minutes or so. People's Choice form, turn it in at the chamber.